Hello, today home alone because girls went to the south for shopping. This time no one needs my help there, so no one is buying diving computers or anything else from the diving stuff. So that's why I stayed at home. I'm absolutely happy, no complaints, enjoying the times alone. You know, I'm kind of introvert, which is forced to be really extrovert. So I mean, I have to communicate with the people. I like communication with the people, but at the same time I'm also enjoying the time alone. When I was a kid, I always choose to stay at home and read books than to go and play football with the other guys. Of course I played football. I was absolutely normal kid, but yeah, I really enjoyed the time. I remember when I came back from school and no one was at that moment at home. So it was probably the best few hours a day before everybody came home. Today I'm forced to drive a car because I gave my motorbike to our driver because he brought me a car, I gave him a bike. I have to pick up the girls from Chandidasa, so that's why I need a car, because I cannot put on a bike two girls. And you know, it's not really comfortable to go around and film the vlog with a car. You spend a lot of time, but you just, while on a bike, you just jump on and go wherever you want. Today there was one situation which made me think about how easy we can become happy, how little we need to feel this total happiness, which makes us think about most important things in life and put us somehow on a track. There was one diver who did a diving with us a couple of days ago, and she lost the wallet. And she wasn't really sure where it happened. She went around all the places where she possibly can leave it. She didn't find it, so finally she sent me a message and asked me to share the local Facebook group where she can ask the questions and ask maybe someone found it, because in the wallet there was the cards, so and some cash as well. But she wasn't really worried about the cash, but about the cards, because that's how you can live here. You need the money to live here. So basically I shared the group on Facebook, and then she decided to check in a car again, and then she sent me a message, I found it in a car. And I said, you must be really, really happy at this moment and appreciate that you find it. And she said, yes. I'm pretty sure it's happening in every person's lives. We're losing the phones and then we're finding them and we're feeling so happy, not because we lost some material thing, but about how big comfort gives this thing. The same thing is also when we become sick. Right before we become sick, we always thinking about, oh, this is not good, this is also not goes the way I want. But when we get sick, then we just understand how little we need to be happy. And when we become healthy again and all these health problems gone, so then we like a kind of, okay, now I understand what is the most important thing in my life and I'm gonna stay with it. But then little time goes and we forget about this one again, and we again focus on some stupid problems and think that it's more important than this little most important things in our lives. There was a plan that I will do something today because it's a day off. We got a diving marathon for a couple of days. Today it's over, so that's why girls also went to the south, because it's probably one of the empty days. We don't have a strict plan for the next days. We just have Anna. We're planning diving with Anna. But yeah, that was really nice to wake up in the morning and, you know, you're not this grinchy mode. It's like you're enjoying, okay, because it's now like you are not in a schedule, and it feels really good. And I'm just thinking about all this, why we are more negative than positive. It's actually a hard work to be a positive, because I don't know, like many years ago I set it for myself that try to find something positive in any situation, and that's really helps. Like, another thing is also, I'm not dividing people in good people and bad people. I'm always trying to understand if the bad person or this person did something bad. So then I'm just trying to understand what was the motivation to do it. Because no one really born bad, right? So everybody's like just a baby crying, need to eat, but no one comes into this life with some set of mind which makes them bad. I think it's situations which makes us or forming us a bad or good person. And so yeah, and I think it, for me, that's the diving which helps a lot, because I see these positive emotions from the people. They like a kind of feeding me with these positive emotions, and that makes me be this positive person. And on the other side is, if you are positive, oh, okay, I will give you an example. Like, there was a dive, nothing really happened, nothing really, the visibility wasn't great, that you didn't see any big fishes, what usually is really needed for the new divers. And then you come out and you say, I've really enjoyed, I don't know how you, but I've really enjoyed this dive. And actually, I'm not giving a chance to these people to say anything bad about this particular dive, because I'm starting pushing them with this my positive things, and they have no chance to say anything bad. It's a kind of trick from me, but I remember also a really long time ago when we were still living in Latvia, and then I'm waking up in the morning always like not happy about everything, and like all the time in this grinchy mode. And Laura said, hey, come on, you think I'm like, you think it's easy for me, but I'm trying to smile in the morning, and that helps. And since then, I'm always trying to wake up with something positive. It's like a kind of morning exercise. You don't want to do it, but you push yourself, and during the process you start really feeling it and you start enjoying it. So that's why, people, I wish you to set it as your daily routine. Wake up with a smile on your face. Okay, brush the teeth and then start smiling, and it will help you a lot. It's already evening. I still have to go and pick up the girls. They are not back, so I will go all the way up to Chandidasa. Maybe boring episode today, but you know, it is what it is, and I hope you will enjoy a couple of things what I said during this episode. And all right, thank you very much for watching me today. Again, follow, subscribe, thumbs up, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.